Thank you for joining us on this magical journey through our Love and Anth Relationships mini-series, dedicated to helping you create the love of your dreams. Many believe that finding true, fulfilling love is an unattainable fantasy, a notion we've aimed to gently dispel throughout our episodes. We've explored how achieving your desired outcomes in love begins not with external searching, but with profound inner work and self-discovery. Building unwavering confidence is key, allowing your authentic self to shine brightly and attract genuine connections. We also discuss the crucial skill of identifying insincerity, helping you navigate relationships with clarity and discernment. And, of course, the power of setting healthy boundaries, which are essential for nurturing respectful and lasting bonds. If you missed any part of this enlightening series, I encourage you to revisit the previous 3 episodes to deepen your understanding. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our future content designed to empower your journey in love and life. Looking ahead, in just a few weeks, we'll dive deep into the complexities of situationships, offering guidance on navigating these often confusing connections. And next week, we'll tackle the topic of careers in today's challenging job market, providing insights to help you thrive professionally. Thank you again for being a part of our community. We look forward to continuing this journey of growth and discovery with you.